So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add illustrations to a design here on Easel. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Easel application. Once that is done, simply just go into the right hand side of your screen, scroll all the way down until you come across the Elements button right here, right in between Assets and Video. Simply just press on Elements. And once you're here, because we are looking for illustrations, just look for the illustrations icon right here or where it says illustrations on the right hand side and simply just press on that. It's now going to take a couple seconds to load some illustrations into your design. So if you wanted perhaps a donut illustration, you can press on a donut. If you wanted to perhaps use a coffee, you can use a coffee as well. Maybe you want to search something up. Maybe you want to search up water. Just search up the word water right there and you can find a nice glass of water. Whatever the case may be, you can play around with it and find the illustrations that you're looking for in this design. So pretty straightforward, but that is how to add illustrations to a design here on Easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.